It's Luis Martin, the art engineer, and my first kiss was in a roller coaster. Alright, so La Croix is not my sponsor yet, but this is the most weird tasting thing I've ever tasted. It literally tastes like frosting, right?
Yes, it does.
Hey Elvis, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Where was your first kiss, I wonder?
It was at a club.
True to form, and what club is that? Hey, what's going on?
It was Splash, the club.
Oh.
Back in the day.
Oh, you're too much. Alright, so we're back, and welcome to my favorite place in the whole wide world, my studio. The safest place in the world too, I think. So, you guys, I have a Valentine's Day collage kit, paper Valentine. I'm really excited about it because it's like my opportunity to be a little not safe for work, but at the same time, it's something to look forward to, right? Hey, what's going on over there? Hey, France, what's going on? I see you. So, Valentine's, it's a capitalistic invention, but it's such a good excuse to be like, all right, I'll talk about love. And it's a good time to be like, okay, some self-love. So order this on collagedream.com and you'll get a bunch of goodies. And you can get some templates on how to make some collages. Hey, Karen! And today, I'm gonna make something from the pack, and it's this one. Check that out. So I made this, and you can make it too, and I'm gonna show you how. So inside, you'll have all of these amazing stuff. So today we're just gonna need 3 of them. Figure 7, figure 6, and this fun stuff that you're gonna get. So, really simple. Hey, what's going on, Mr. Avinia? Can't wait to party this Sunday. Virtually, of course. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 elements in this collage, and it's really exciting because you can make it your own, and I'll show you how. You can use my template, but you can make it your own. So I'm just gonna start by cutting out this flower and this skull. So talk to me, Elvis. Your first kiss was in a club.
Yes, it was.
You're so classy.
Of course I am. And that's why you fell in love with me.
That's right. My first kiss, like I said, was in a roller coaster at Disneyland. I kissed my junior high crush. He was a bully, but he was a Sagittarius. I don't know. But anyway, it was fun. So happy Valentine's, y'all. It's something to look forward to. It's in a month from now. So check this out. I'm cutting this rose out, right? But see what's happening? There is like 2 straight lines on the side, right? That looks ugly. You can be a sculptor. Check this out. See how there's a straight line? Well, I'm just gonna cut into it and sculpt some fluid lines. And look, no more lines. How about that? Remember, when you make art, you can do whatever the heck you want. Check that out. I was just chatting before I came on with Javelette, who made some amazing collages with her son, and they're just so powerful. I love them. They told a little story. We'll see if she wants to share that later. So here's the rose, and I'm gonna take out the skull. So if you order the collage kit, the Paper Valentine's Collage Kit, it comes with a Zoom workshop that I'm gonna do on the 12th. And the 13th. So get to that so we can play. I don't know what we're listening to, but it's kind of dark and fun.
Well, you are cutting a skull.
True. Oh, perfect soundtrack, huh? So simple, easy peasy, right? So 2 things. And I'm gonna use the cardboard. Hey, what's going on over there? I'm gonna use the cardboard from the backing of the collage kit that you get, right? It comes with this, so I'm just gonna use this. And look, now I get to play headpiece, right? So you can play with this. You don't have to do this, but this is an option. And there is a template that I throw in here as well, which I'll show you later. So I'm gonna cut this out. And you know what's really fun? In this one, I cut it straight. But what if you tear it, right? What if you like decide, no, I want to tear it, to add another dimension to it, right? And then put it. But what's missing? What's missing, Elvis?
Your notes.
The
your
notes.
Letters.
So this is what I did. So this is how you can make this yours. This is one of my favorite pieces because what I did was I wrote the lyrics to a really melodramatic Mexican song, and it's like the coolest thing. So now you have the choice of writing whatever you want. So you can do a melodramatic song of your choosing, or you can write a Valentine's message to your sweetheart, to yourself. You can even turn it into a spell, right? A love manifesting spell. So what's the perfect lover other than you? Like, well, how can I be the perfect lover? That's the spell, a self-realization spell, right? So write. Okay, so here's my magic cryptic writing, right? So I can go on forever, but you get the gist. So this is the part where you get to kind of really interject your energy, make it a song, make it a spell, make it a letter, whatever, but this is how you make it into your collage. So here I am. You can use your glue stick on this, or you can use the little squares that I'll be sending you. How about that? So I made this. And once you make this, so you're like, okay, yeah, I kind of copied it though. Who cares? But if you want to make it your own, how else could you do that, right? So if you have stickers, or what is a collage without a hummingbird or a butterfly? Or what if you embellish the skull over here, right? I don't know. No, actually, I don't like that. But how fun to just play with it, right? I'm already sweating over here, and I haven't even had my drink. Ugh, it tastes horrible. But it tastes like frosting. You have to taste it. La Croix, I love you. If you want to be my sponsor, go for it. But this tastes like frosting, and I'm kind of here for it. But it's good. All right, so here we go. So look, I'm gonna add my beautiful hummingbird and see what happens, right? What else did I want to tell you while you're here? Okay, so there is a PDF for the collage kit. So if you go to the website Collage Dream, you can actually buy a printable PDF version of this, and it's $5. So you can get that, print it yourself at Staples, and go at it. And because it's a PDF, it's a little bit bigger, so you can print them out. How about that? So here we are. We made a Valentine's Day themed card. Easy peasy. So I am gonna be doing 3 more of these. 3, not 4, 3. And, but that's it. So let me know how Thursday night feels. I kind of like Thursday night hangouts. It's an 8-minute video, so cool.